Hey everybody, welcome back to the Glamry Shop. Okay, y'all didn't like that. Okay. Welcome to the Glamry Shop. And for those that are new, my name is Sophia. So welcome to the channel. Today I've got a tutorial on how you can get a clutch, a bomb clutch at that, out of a placemat. Stay tuned. Hey, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss no more of my videos. And hit the bell so you know when I put them up. For this project, you'll need your glue gun, your binder clips, a placemat, some scrap materials so that you can use that for the interior, and then whatever you're going to use for the outside to decorate your clutch. Okay guys, so to get started, what you're going to do is take your placemat, and I've got my scrap fabric here, so I'm going to set this down, put my placemat on top. I'm going to just trace around it so that you can get your lining fabric. Okay, so once you finish tracing around it, you should get a circle of fabric that looks exactly like your placemat and some extra strings. And then what you're going to do is you want to make sure that the inside, like, it looks like a little spiral, and that is not the side that it's protruding out of, but the side that is more pushed in on. You're gonna put that face down. You take your lining and right side up, place that on top of the placemat so that it covers almost to the end, and then you're gonna hot glue that down. Now you've got that done, what you can do is you're going to take the side and you're going to fold it in. I mean, it's a circle. They're all sides. Alright, so when you're finished, it should look like this. Then you're going to take it and you're going to just fold it in. You don't have to measure it, but if you want to get an exact, like, how much and make sure you get the other side, then you can do that. But all you're going to do is you're going to take your glue stick, and you're going to glue in the sides. And you're going to want to use a hefty amount because you don't want stuff falling out of your little clutch. Okay, so once you've applied your glue, you're going to take your clip. You're going to clip it down, and that's just to keep it folded and keep it, down. So then you're going to go to the other side. You're going to do the same thing. So at this step, this is what your bag should look like so far. Then the next thing is you're going to take it and fold it in. So this is going to make your little pocket at the end. And again, you can, kind of play with the proportions. It just kind of depends how far you want the top flap to fold over. Sorry, I can't talk. To fold over, like, do you want it to fold all the way at the bottom, or do you want to, do a more heftier fold here, and then it'll just go down, like, part of the way? It's all up to you what you want to do. Okay, so after you've decided where you want to put that fold, you take your clips off of the side. Go ahead and do your fold however you're going to do it. I'm going to, have mine where it kind of, you can still see the bottom a little bit. You're going to do the same thing. Once you've decided, you just going to liberally apply, but just on the ends, the hot glue. You're going to take your binder clip again, and you're going to not drop it on the floor. Okay, you're going to do that to both sides. Now you should have your bag that looks something like this. And I did go ahead and put just a little bit more glue on the ends. You really want to make sure that it is glued all the way down. Otherwise, when you go to bend this, it'll start to like spread. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add our magnets for the closure. Okay, so I put my snap on If you use like Velcro or button or something else, you could be done after this step, and you could have, like I said, you a little bomb, little clutch. You know what I'm saying? But I put a snap in, so I need to apply some type of decoration or something, bow, something to cover that up. Okay, so I finished up my bag. I added a little bit of silver sequin, a little black sequin, you know what I'm saying? A little bling bling. It is the glam reshop. So I had to add a little glamour. So she ready. I don't know where we going, but she ready. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us at the Glam Shop. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of our videos.